Changing form inheritance. Once a form has been created, it is possible to change its ancestor class to another form in your project. TForm1 equals class, TForm, TForm2 equals class, TForm. Now I want to inherit TForm2 from TForm1 instead of TForm. First, in the Pascal unit we make the change, TForm2 equals class, TForm1, we open the form, and view it as text, Alt plus F12, and replace object form2, TForm2 with inherited form2, TForm2. Thanks to J.M. Stoervogel for providing this information on Quality Central. http://qc.borland.com